How to send Bitcoin from Revolut to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Revolut account, and after that go to the section of Hub. You would be able to find it in the bottom right hand side corner. Just simply click on Hub. After that, select the option of Crypto. Now search for BTC on Crypto section, and there you would be able to find Bitcoin. Just simply click on the option of Bitcoin, and after that select the option of Send. Here click on the option of New at the top right hand side corner. Then you need to select whether you want to send in a crypto wallet or to your contact. Just simply select any of the option accordingly, and after that you would be requiring Bitcoin address to be precise in order to send that particular Bitcoin. Now let's see how you can get the Bitcoin address. Suppose you want to send your Bitcoin from Revolut to Binance. So just simply open up Binance, and on Binance go to your wallet. Now on the top you will be able to find the option of spot. Simply select it. Now click on the option of deposit. Over there, just wait for it to load, and after you click on deposit, this is where it will take you. Now select Bitcoin over here. BTC is the ticker for Bitcoin, and over here select the Bitcoin network. Now you will get the address over here. Just simply copy this particular address and open up Revolut. And on Revolut, just simply paste this particular address, and after that click on the option of Send, and this way you would be able to send the Bitcoin from your Revolut to any other wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.